Begin by opening either one of your deck drawers. Pinch together the tabs of the drawer plug and remove it. The triangle on the lamp housing is the up position. Insert the lamp housing into the deck drawer and press with firm, even pressure to lock it into place. Remove the protective layer from the 3M VHB tape on the underside of the battery box. Note that the positive and negative terminals on the front of the box correspond to the positive and negative labeled connectors on the lamp. Tilt the box towards you and press the positive and negative connectors into the positive and negative terminals on the battery box. Lower the box into the deck drawer while pressing the positive and negative connectors further into the terminals of the battery box. Push the box further into the drawer and apply pressure to the top to bond the double-sided tape to the drawer. Once the box is seated, use the on-off switch on the battery box to test the lamp. The lid of the battery box's storage compartment uses 4 magnets to hold the lid closed. And that's it. Your installation is complete.